In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a Mastercard gift card to Cash App. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open Cash App and then tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, select the second option, which is Linked Banks, so go ahead and tap on Linked Banks. Next, choose the option to link a new debit card for instant transfers and sending payments. You will again need to select Link New Debit Card from the screen. After that, enter your Mastercard gift card details, including the card number. You will also need to enter the expiration date, the CVV, and the zip code associated with your Mastercard gift card. If you do not know the exact zip code linked to the card, you can simply enter your own zip code and it should still work. Once everything is filled in, tap on Link Card. That is how you add it to Cash App. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.